Listen this chant and visualize your beauty. Visualize as if it's already happening. What do you want to manifest? Beautiful skin, long hair, charming personality, or whatever your desire is. Just keep that intention in mind and chant this switch word with me. This switch word is energized with Goddess Hecate's energy, so it is powerful. Just keep your intention in mind and chant this with me. Follow this minimum 21 days and see the magic. At the end of this chant, thank Goddess Hecate and appreciate your body and looks because you deserve love, you deserve appreciation. You are a true goddess. If you believe in something, you can achieve it. So let's begin. Divine Goddess be. 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 Divine Goddess B. 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 Divine Goddess B.